Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 X6. The X6 Sports Activity Coupe has broken all barriers and found itself in a class all of its own and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, navigation system, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, heated rear seats, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.